To pay with PayPal on AllChinaBuy, an online marketplace, follow these steps. Browse and add products to cart. Visit AllChinaBuy and browse through their products. Once you find the item you want to purchase, add them to your shopping cart. Go to checkout. After adding your items to the cart, click on the shopping cart icon and proceed to checkout. Enter shipping details. You will be prompted to enter your shipping information, including your address and contact details. Make sure your information is accurate to ensure smooth delivery. Select PayPal as payment method. On the payment page, look for PayPal as an option. Select it as your preferred payment method. If you're not logged into your PayPal account, you'll be prompted to do so at this stage. Confirm payment. After selecting PayPal, you'll be redirected to PayPal's secure website to review your order and payment details. Confirm the payment and complete the transaction. You will be returned to AllChinaBuy once the payment is successful. Order confirmation. Once the payment is processed, you will receive an order confirmation email with the details of your purchase.